How to fix a blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to fix the blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's begin. First, make sure your WhatsApp is up to date to the latest version. For that, you need to open Play Store. Navigate to search icon at bottom right, tap search bar and type in WhatsApp. If you found any update button and update to the latest version. Next thing, you need to simply clear the cache of WhatsApp. Long press on WhatsApp, select eye icon, navigate to Storage Uses and tap on Clear Cache. With that, you need to simply open WhatsApp application and navigate to the profile picture by tapping three dots at top right and choosing Settings option. Tap on your profile picture at top left. And make sure that you choose a high resolution image at least 500 to 500 pixels. Avoid screenshots or compressed images and use the original file. Also make sure that you crop it manually into a square that is 1:1 ratio before setting it as your WhatsApp profile picture. And by following this step, your profile picture should now be clear. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.